diagonals of cuboid. There is a cuboid with dimensions 3 meters, 4 meters, and 5 meters. Find the angle between the longest and the shortest diagonal of the cuboid. Solution. First, let us name the cuboid as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, as shown in the figure. Find the length of the shortest face diagonal using the Pythagoras theorem. Find the length of the longest diagonal. Applying the cosine rule, we can find the angle between the two diagonals. The longest diagonal in a cuboid is also called the body diagonal. Now, in a cuboid, the longest possible diagonal is the one between the two opposite corners. Here, there are 4 such diagonals, namely AG, BH, CE, and DF. Here, let us find the length of CE, one of the longest diagonals of the cuboid. To find CE, we require the lengths of EF and CF. We know the length of EF. To find CF, we have to apply Pythagoras theorem in right triangle CGF. CF square equals CG square plus FG square, triangle CGF right-angled at G. Here, CG equals 3 meters and FG equals 5 meters. Substituting the values. Or CF equals root 34. Therefore, CF equals 5,83 meter. Now, consider triangle CFE. We apply the Pythagoras theorem to find CE. CE square equals EF square plus CF square. Here, EF equals 4 meters and CF equals 5,83 meters. Substituting the values. Or CE equals root 50. Therefore, CE equals 7,07 meters. In a cuboid, the shortest diagonal is on the face with the combination of the lowest lengths. As the sides with lengths 3 meter and 4 meter are the shortest, the diagonals on the faces with dimensions 3 and 4 are the shortest. Of these, we choose the shortest diagonal CH that shares a point C with the longest diagonal CE. Consider triangle CGH. We apply the Pythagoras theorem to find CH. CH square equals CG square plus GH square. Here, CG equals 3 meters and GH equals 4 meters. Substituting the values. Or CH equals root 25. Therefore, CH equals 5 meters. Now, we can calculate the angle between the longest and shortest diagonals. Consider triangle CHE. In this triangle, we can apply the cosine rule to find the required angle HCE. Recall the cosine rule. Here, we can apply the cosine rule as EH square equals CE square plus CH square minus 2 times CE times CH times cos HCE. Substituting the values for the sides, we get rearranging the terms. Cos angle HCE equals 50 over 70,7. Therefore, cos angle HCE equals 0,707. Taking the inverse on both the sides, angle HCE equals cos inverse 0,707. Therefore, angle HCE is equal to 45 degrees. Thus, we calculated the angle between the longest and the shortest diagonal.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Mesky to help you. And let the math finally start mathing.